Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Korede Guitar. We have a new artist here on Korede Guitar, Korede Bello, a talented Nigerian artist with a song called Most Beautiful Girl on the Planet. Okay, so let's do this one, and we have a K-ball on the second fret. You can see that. Why? Because easy chords and easy melodies are a great match. So that's the reason. Let's put the cape on the second and go into the chords. G, A minor, C, and D. That's what we're going to work with in that order. So let's start with G first. That goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the A minor 7. That will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. C next, and it's very easy to go from A minor 7 to C. You just add on the third fret on A string. So that gives you third on A, still second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so that's the chord progression. G, A minor 7, C, and D. Now let's go into the melody and do that chord by chord, starting with G. That part goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play third on E string in the bass, then open G, then I hammer on to get the second G. So I don't pick that second G, I hammer on it. I use my finger, my mid finger in this case, and I push down the second G, and then I'm gonna pick the third B. That's the G parts. Okay, next is A minor. What you're gonna do here is to hold the chord as it is and play like that. So you're gonna play open A, and then you're gonna pick second D, open G, and first B together, with a pause afterwards. Then comes C, you're gonna play. So that is to hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play third on A, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord, hold it as it is and play that part. You start with open D, and then you're gonna pick second G, third B, and second E together with a pause. And there you have the melody, all right? So it goes G, A minor, C, D, like this. All right, that is what you can play from the beginning till the very end, like many other songs, but now you can switch it up with some strumming as well. So let's go back to the first two chords, G to A minor 7. We're gonna look at that transition because we have a strumming that covers two chords. So the first part, or the first chord, G, goes down, up, clap, okay? Like this. Down, up, clap. Then you switch chord to A minor, in this case, and play 3 downs and a clap. Down, clap. That's it. Then you bring that to the next two chords. C is played in the same way as G, the down, up, clap, and then D in the same way as A minor, down, clap. Like this. So together, everything will be strumming or melody, that's your choice. Korede Bello, Most Beautiful Girl on the Planet. All right, so if you think this is the most beautiful guitar on the planet, perhaps channel or my voice or anything, feel free to support me here. Subscribe to this channel, and let's move on together. Till next time, play tuned.